Tim. Good luck. finish area. That will park up, and right behind it will be our first runner. Here he is, our first runner. Wow, this is Callum Davidson. That took me completely by surprise. Callum Davidson, our first runner, the winner of the Jones Crisps Anglesey Half Marathon 2018. Our second place runner approaches the finish line. This is Tom Roberts. Tom Roberts second today. This is Alan Williams in third. Sorry, Dale Davis in third. This is going to be the first of our 10k runners. Yes, it is. Our 10k champion. This is Mike Roberts from D. Striders. Well done, Mike. Congratulations. And taking third place in the half marathon, just in front of Mike, was Alan Williams. Well done to you, Alan. Diolch chi, Alan. Trydydd heddiw yma yn hanner marathon. Connor Bolton second, and in third place in the 10k, approaching the finish line, this is Brendan Rothery. Well done, Brendan, congratulations. Third today in the Anglesey 10k, the jump. Well, you got fun? Come on, this time, this is Gav Roberts. Well done, Gav. Fourth today in the 10k, good effort, Gav. Roberts, fourth today. Our next finisher in the 10k is Jonathan Seymour. Well done, Jonathan. Two GOG triathlon members there, finishing close together. The 10k and the half marathon. This, folks, is Jonathan Tyler from Pepsi Runaways. Well done, Jonathan. Congratulations to you. Jonathan Tyler finished 10k, and Richard Eccles. There he is, well done, Rich. Diolch chi, well done, Hooker. Jonathan Tyler, Richard Eccles, then we have Michael Ferralis. North Wales Roadrunners is in the half marathon. Of course, remember, red numbers. Here she is, let's make some noise, the first lady in the 10k. Catherine Conu. Well done, Catherine. Congratulations to you, the winner of the 10k, Catherine Marathon. Just we await at the finish line. But more finishers coming in. Andrew Savage, Michael Corrales, Andrew Savage, Chris Miles, Sean Kelly Williams, Daniel Pearson, Sean Bart, Evie, and Getty Don Owens. Here he goes. Give John a round of applause. Diolch chi, John. Well done, John. Here we go. Our next 10k runner is Bryn Russell. Diolch chi, Bryn. Couple of 10k. Dean Allison, North Wales Roadrunners. Here comes Dean, let's put your hands together, give him a round of applause. Well done, Dean. Following Dean in the half marathon is Chris Callaghan. Hi, Chris. Best in the day. Here we go, this is Mike Stewart from Birkenhead. Well done, Mike. Completing the 10k, followed by Kieran Lewis in the half marathon. Diolch chi, Kieran. Well done, Kieran. Couple higher hanner marathon under Jones Crisps, hanner marathon yn Ysmor. Gwion Roberts o Meirionydd, dyma fo. Diolch chi, Gwion. Put your hands together for Gwion Roberts from Meirionydd Running Club. Jason Thomas, Cubby Striders. Well done, Jason. Diolch. Jonathan Kettle from North Wales Roadrunners. Well done, Jonathan. Jonathan running the half marathon today. Jonathan closely followed by Harry Driscoll from TriStars Conway. Here he is. Well done, Harry, doing the 10k. Diolch chi. So folks, lots and lots of runners coming in now. Well done, congratulations to Matt Driver, Jamie Thorpe, Mark Collier, Simon Jones, Mark Redmond from Hart Phoenix AC. Here he is. Well done, Mark, congratulations to you. Simon Jones, good to see people driving from all over the UK to be with us here. Rob Fowler from Prestwich AC. Well done, Rob. Rod's running with a broken arm. Whoa, well, that's a good effort. John Parkinson from the Innerly Harriers. Down, John. Close on all. John Parkinson, a couple high Hammer Marathon. James Watt from Derwent Runners Derby. Another runners travelling a fair distance to be with us here at the Anglesey Half Marathon. James completing the half marathon. Mark McGee from Clayton Lamore and Pippa Jones, second in the 10k. There she is, what a Pippa. Pippa Jones, our second female in the 10k. First female in the half marathon is going to be with us very soon. The first lady in the half marathon, let's keep a lookout. Please make some noise, this is our first lady in the half marathon. She is the winner. Please welcome out Lucy Williamson. Lucy Williamson from Ilkley Harriers winning the Anglesey Half Marathon 2018, the Jones Crisps Anglesey Half Marathon. That's our female winner, Lucy Williamson. Well done to you, Lucy. Congratulations. Smashed it around there on the race today. And thank you, girls. Say hello again, man. I'm helping you out if you're attending. So that's it, our winners are all in, and congratulations to all of our finishers. D.W.Jones doing the half marathon, John Williams, Matthew Leonard and Iwan Evans from North Wales Roadrunners. Croeso nôl at Llongol a Pedair Gyd am cwbl higher Hammer Marathon in this one. Jones Crisps, 2018. Welcome back to you all for completing the 2018 Jones Crisps Anglesey Half Marathon. Michael Roberts o'r Hipog Runners, da iawn chdi Mike. Croeso nôl. Andy Oates from Altrincham District, Ivan Owens. Oh, so Ivan is doing the Dragon's Dash. I think he's just walked past the finish line somewhere. Ian Ferguson, Leon Davis, John Stringer, Rob Fletcher, Brian Wills is approaching. Well done, Brian. Here he is, Brian Wills, the GB International Triathlete. Brian is in his age group. Well done to you, Brian. He won Channel 4's Total Wipeout, can you believe that? That's his claim to fame, and in fact it's a pretty good one. There's not many people who can claim to have run Channel 4's Total Wipeout, but Brian can, doing a half marathon. Dylan Merete-Jones on the set. Dylan Bodula, da iawn chdi. Tom Donald, John Davis, Sir James Latta, Andrew Trafford, Andrew Roberts, Shannon Gray and Tom Cable from West Cheshire. Da iawn chi, croeso nôl I chi gyd am cwbl higher ras ma'r Hanner Marathon a 10k yn this morning, 2018. Peter Jones, Cubby Striders, here he is, well Pete, congratulations. Cubby Striders from here from Anglesey Running Club. Welcome back to you, well done to Thomas Evans, to Aled Emil, da iawn chi Aled. Simon Murray doing the half marathon, good to see you back. Mark Hinchcliffe from Askin District AC. Richard Pepper, Shropshire Shufflers. Kyle Hazelar from Wigan District Harriers. Well done, Kyle. Manuel Serrano Romero de Avila. How's that? That's a brilliant name, that is. Manuel Serrano Romero de Avila. Welcome back, Croeso nôl, Mike Stevens. Oliver Sale, Paul Dobbs, James Wilkinson, Hannah Thompson in the 10k, Joshua White in the 10k, Paul Unsworth in the half marathon, and Chris Littler. Here they come. Let's keep making some noise, folks. Put your hands together, ring your cowbells. Welcome these guys back. It's been tough out there today. It's cold. It's been quite a stressful week. Even preparing for whether this race will take place on Dear Poriauni, David Ellis, Sam Kofsky. David Ellis has just gone to the top of my list of friends because he's just handed me a Fika flat white. So diolch yn fawr David. David yn efferini heddiw yma. Unwaith eto mae David yn helpu ni lot yn caflu y corffaw yn Menai. So diolch i David am helpu a hefyd diolch i Andrew am dreifio y car ar blaen y ras heddiw yma. Dwi'n siŵr bod y ddau yna wedi bod yn siarad yr holl ffordd rownd y ras. So diolch yn fawr iawn i chi gyd. Brian Roberts, Gail Budden, Arwel Lewis, so Erin Harriers, Dion Arwel. Ellen Jones, Nick Brooke, Dewi Williams, Piers Maloney, Anthony Bates, Oliver Lister, Matthew... sorry Matthew, I'm going to have to pass on that one. Matthew Odden from Bravo Runners. Tony Price-Jones. I haven't even run the half marathon, I had to pass on that one, but Matthew is back one in. Tony Price-Jones, Wendy Evans, Robin Baker, Peter Letson, William Jones, Kian Parry, Andy Mainflower, Robert Greenland and Malcolm. Every single Snowdon race since it was formed over 40 years ago. That's in there, and it's a Rory Harriers match. Malcolm Jones, he's a legend in these parts. He's run every single Snowdon race since it started. Well done Malcolm, da iawn a croeso nôl. Neis weld chi yma yn yr hanner marathon a 10k this morning. Tim Hargreaves, Thomas Dutton, David Thompson, Daniel Gaskin, Alan Gompertz, Alan Radbourne, Neil Phillips, Aled Jones, Hevin Wright, Jamie Hogan. Maen nhw'n dal i ddwad, rhedwr ar ôl rhedwr yn croesi, y llinell erbyn yma yn Porthaethwy. Y Jones Crisps, 2018, hanner marathon a 10k in this morning. Michael Norris from D Striders, Thomas Jones from Bangor, Rebecca Ward, Hayley Price-Jones from North Wales Roadrunners, Andrew Dunnigan from Manchester, and Rhys Roberts or Llanel Chymer.
Go on Rhys! Go on!
Da iawn chi Rhys. Absolutely brilliant to see so many people making the effort to make the journey across the country to join us here at Anglesey for the Jones Chris Anglesey Half Marathon 2018. Luke Simpson, Adrian Kramer, Hugh Jones, Jason Burke, Sean McGlynn, Simon Quick, Nada Caboni, Dewi Roberts, Gitta Huyers, Jake Halstead, Jen Rowland, Selen Llwyd, Brian Jeffries, Adam John Funnell, Becky Jones, Adam Evans, Jamie Cliff. They continue to come, runner after runner after runner. Over 2,000 runners entered in this year's race. The Jones Chris Anglesey Half Marathon and 10k. More and more runners coming in and joining us here on the finish line. Please folks, put your hands together. Show your appreciation for the efforts that these runners are putting in today's race. Owen Watkin Hughes, Kevin Clark, Lee Wilmot, Gethin Jones, Thomas Jones, Mervyn Jones from Menai Bridge, a local man. It's good to see you here, Thomas. Tom, taking part in your local race, Mervyn. Ian Edwards, Chris Thomas, Niall Kiki.
Go on, Shane!
o'n i'n gael sgwrs bach efo David Ellis yma, referee a sydd yma. Diolch yn fawr, David. Yma. David yn mynd i weld yma, wan. So David, y referee ni, mae eto, mae di wneud bob blwyddyn. Diolch yn fawr, David. A ni wedi bod yn gwmpas yr cymuned Hecdag yn Gogledd Cymru ers blynyddoedd hir wan, ond mae'n eich gael croesawu David yn ôl yma i Camio Copol, sy'n high events. Helpu ni bob blwyddyn chwarae teg iddo. Ella Langham Welsh, roedd yn Ella D.W.Jones, Sean Rowland, Stuart Culverhouse, Simone Cheeseland, Craig Wilkinson, Stephanie Bradfield, Lee Marr, Rhys Aston, Helen Webber, Graham Hanna and Anne Goddard. They're all coming in now, they're crossing the finish line. Right, we have one very special athlete racing today. Please put your hands together, folks, because if you look at the finish straight, you will see our first ever wheelchair athlete approaching the finish line any minute now. Please don't put your hands together. This is our first ever wheelchair athlete at the Anglesey Half Marathon. Congratulations and welcome back. Helen Gillam. Well done, Helen. Helen Gillam from Stockport Harriers. Absolutely brilliant. Congratulations, Helen. You're our first ever wheelchair athlete. Brilliant, brilliant effort. Great to see you. You're very, very welcome. We'd love to see more of your colleagues and your friends join us in the future. So please spread the word, bring your friends down. Try to be all inclusive here in high events. Well done to Helen. Congratulations. Neil Campbell, Philip Hayes, William Evans, Steve Cranston, and Beastal, Richard Jones, Alan Riley is in, Alex Thierry is in, Andrew Cochran, Yola Owen, Diolch to Yola, Mark Jones. We can go on and on and on with the names of our runners as they come into the finish area. All of the images from today's race will be available online in the next day or two. Big, big thank you once again to Mel Parry newsletter that we sent out to you today. Later on today, check your inbox. We will send you links to photographs from Mel Parry's imagery and also sport pictures covering Gwynfor and Wendy. I've seen them out there on the route. Da iawn, after we'll send you the links. You can download your images. No doubt there'll be some great photos from today's race. All of our runners being awarded their bag of Jones crisps. As you walk off with a handful of gifts, you've got Jones crisps, you've got Wild Trail bars. Please help yourselves. Wild Trail, one of our partners, they're here, they're happening out the bars on the finish line. And then of course you've got your medal, you've got your t-shirt. And the prize winners will be awarded their prizes at the award ceremony a little bit later on. We're hoping to do that around about midday-ish, but we'll bring you news of that as we have it. So here we go, more and more runners now coming in. So if you're enjoying yourself today, guys, if you like what you see, if you're feeling inspired, please visit alwaysaimhighevents.com. That's our website. Got information about all of our events on the website. Of course, this is the first event of the year for us at Always Aim High. It's been a great, great day, and it's actually a fantastic day as we speak. Our running races, the Scott Snowdonia Trail Marathon. In fact, that one is sold out. We have places left in the 10k only. In the Scott Snowdonia Trail Marathon, which happens in July of this year. We also have a brand new running event for this year. It's a new format of racing. It's a testimonial race to the World Trail Running Championships that took place in San Roost about 3 or 4 years ago. So this year in September we have launched the Snowdonia Endurance Trail. If you're an endurance athlete or a speed athlete, please check us out. Have a look. The Snowdonia Endurance Trail is a brand new race for this year. We hope to see you there in September. In triathlon, in a few weeks from now, on the 25th of March, we will be in Halle to deliver the Harlech Triathlon. The first time Norway's in high events has been delivering the Harlech Triathlon. If you fancy those, there are entries still available online at the Always in High Events website. Harlech Triathlon, that's our first triathlon. It's a sprint distance triathlon. So if you're a first timer, it'll be an ideal event for you to get involved in the sport. Sprint distance means it's a full swim, a 400 metre full swim, the Harlech Triathlon. A 20k bike ride and a 5k run. So please folks, give it a go, feel inspired, why not? You can do it. In May we will be in Canberra to deliver one of the UK's biggest triathlon events, the pedal cover Slateman Triathlon, the infamous, the world famous, being voted amongst the top 10 best triathlons in the world, the Slateman Triathlon. Been voted by readers of, is it 220 Triathlon magazine as the second best triathlon in the UK. That's the Slateman Triathlon, we're there in May.